Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to insert SIM cards into Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. This process is also identical for the Galaxy A36. Let's get started. First, you will need the SIM ejector tool. Open the retail box and inside you will find a smaller box containing it. Go ahead and pull it out. Now hold your Galaxy A56 like this. On the bottom left side, you will see the outline of the SIM tray and a small pinhole to its left. The hole to the right is for the microphone. So be careful not to use that one. This is the correct hole. Take your SIM ejector tool and gently insert it into this hole. Then push lightly. The SIM tray will pop open. Carefully pull it out. Here is the SIM card tray. You can insert one SIM card into the top slot labeled SIM1 and another into the bottom slot labeled SIM2. Let us start with the first SIM card. On the top of the tray, you will see SIM1. Place your SIM card in this slot with the gold contacts facing up and the notched corner aligned with the notch on the tray. If you are planning to use two SIM cards, now take your second SIM. You will see SIM2 indicated on the bottom slot. SIM1 will fall off when you rotate the SIM tray, which is normal. Place the SIM card in the slot, ensuring gold contacts are facing up and the notch aligns with the tray. SIM2 will not fall off when you rotate the tray. Let me place the SIM1 once again. Now carefully hold the SIM tray in this orientation and gently slide it back into the phone. SIM1 at the top. Push it in until it is fully and securely inserted. Within a few moments, your phone will detect the SIM cards and likely redirect you to the SIM card manager or preferences page. Here you can configure your default SIM for calls, messages and mobile data. That's it for this video on how to insert SIM cards into Samsung Galaxy A56 or A36. And that's all there is to it. That's how you insert SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy A56 or Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips.